What if the world's most powerful financial market isn't driven by logic, but by human fear, emotion, and habit? The market that moves the world. The United States stock market is the largest and most influential financial system on Earth. Trillions of dollars move through it every day. It affects pensions, governments, global economies, and personal lives. But behind the numbers lies a reality most people never fully understand. 1. The stock market is not the economy. Many people believe the stock market represents the real economy. It doesn't. Markets reflect expectations, not reality. Stocks can rise while people struggle and crash while businesses still function. 2. Algorithms control. Most trading today, the majority of trades are executed by algorithms, not humans. These systems react in milliseconds. They buy and sell based on patterns, not meaning. Speed matters more than intelligence. 3. Fear moves. Markets faster than logic. Market crashes are rarely caused by data alone. They are triggered by fear spreading faster than facts. When panic starts, logic disappears. This is why markets often overreact. Big institutions don't play by the same rules. Large financial institutions have access to faster data, deeper liquidity, and advanced tools. Retail investors see the market after it moves. The system is legal, but not equal. 5. Most long-term gains happen. In very short moments, studies show that missing just a few strong market days can destroy long-term returns. Timing matters more than activity. Patience beats prediction. 6. Market crashes are normal, and necessary crashes feel catastrophic. But historically, they reset excess, correct imbalances, and create future growth. The market has crashed many times, and always recovered. 7. The human brain is bad at investing. Humans are wired to avoid loss, even when loss avoidance causes bigger damage. This leads to buying high and selling low. Emotion is the enemy of consistency. 8. Wall Street is built on confidence, not certainty. No one truly knows where the market will go next. Even professionals guess within probabilities. Confidence sells certainty, but uncertainty is the truth. 9. The U.S. market influences the entire planet. Decisions made in New York ripple across Asia, Europe, and emerging markets. The U.S. stock market is not local. It is global power. 10. Most investors underestimate time. We focus on daily movement, but markets reward years, not days. Time smooths chaos. Impatience magnifies risk. The U.S. stock market is not a machine of fairness. It is a system shaped by human behavior, technology, and time. Understanding it doesn't guarantee success, but misunderstanding it almost guarantees failure. For more realistic explorations of money, power, and systems that shape our world, subscribe and join us for the next story.